Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I did this amazing look, stay tuned. It's time to do our hair. I got this Amazon wig from 𝒂𝒂𝒏𝒌𝒔, I think, like something like that. So we're gonna open it up and see what it's here for. It's a 13 by 4. I think they say it's supposed to be HD lace. It don't look HD. It looks more so transparent. It's not a full 13 by 4. I'm not really a fan of the curl pattern. I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knot. Okay, we got the wig. It's washed. It's blow dried. I bleached the knot. We're gonna get this wig on our head. We're gonna do like a glueless method. I'm trying to grow back in my hair. The glue has been balding me out. So this cap, ooh, Jesus, this wig cap on. We're going to use the hot comb on it and also put some makeup on the inside and on the stocking cap. Putting some makeup onto our wig cap.
But we come from, that era of...
Now we're gonna get the makeup into the wig. I'm gonna turn it inside out and go ahead and pat that bad boy on.
Okay, so...
Alright, we got the makeup in the wig. Go ahead and use the hot comb to slick this baby back.
It's a demo, but I was like, nah, let's figure out, and it was a way you could erase the demo. And if something stuck, right, this is really good, right? I think Shy was out for some 𝒍𝒊𝒏𝒌𝒔 or whatever, right? It was a friend of ours. So I was my best friends at the time, Scooby, Troy Clark, school with his sister.
So you want to take your hot comb and just... I always pull it up from my skin so that if I ever hit the lace directly, it's not on my skin but a little bit away.
Because it was like all these groups popping up. Girls' time was popping. This is pre-Destiny Child, Blasphemy.
Alright guys, we got this on. First, what I'm gonna do, I can get an eye for where I want it. I need it more down than where it is right now. I think I like the position that it's in this side up. I get an eye for my ear tabs, so it feels pretty good. It feels like all I need to do is just cut the back. I'm gonna take my scissor and cut in the back to go ahead and bring this forward. So I'm gonna take this off to see if it comes down good. I'm gonna cut it a bit more. See how it's down nice and flat? All I did was cut that piece between the black part and the lace front. And you could feel where it's at. You feel how I just part the hair. And I'm just gonna take this scissor and cut along that. Not too high, just want it to be enough where the black part can get behind your ear, and then the lace is in front of your ear, so it's perfect. I love how it's laid right now. So now we're gonna get to going. I'm cutting all the way up right before the hairline. So I tuck this back. I'm gonna shake up my Eben. I'm using the active one, and I'm gonna spray that along my forehead. And as I spray it, I'm just gonna rub it. I'm spraying and then rubbing it. I'm spraying it and rubbing it.
All that to stay with my woman.
And I'm just layering it on. I just want to kind of air dry it so it could get tacky, and then I'm gonna do more layers. Use a napkin to just wipe any extra that's running down my face. I'm gonna take my blow dryer on cool and low just to kind of help it out just a bit. Not too much. It dries up all the way, just enough so I can get it nice and tacky. Right, so it is time. What I'm going to do is just bring this first part down, and I'm gonna take my comb. I'm just trying to make sure everything is good. Have it laid good. Have it laid where I need it. And I'm just gonna press in. Bring it where I need it and press it in. And I'm gonna do the same thing to this side, bring it down where I need it and press it in. And it should be sticky to the point where when you start pressing it in, you already feel it adhering. Pressing it in, pressing it in. Trying to really make sure it stays. I'm feeling in to make sure there's no lumps, make sure it's all laid down properly, and it is. And I'm just gonna continue pressing that in. And now what I'm gonna do is take my hair and put it up into a little clippy clip. Oh shit. I'm so glad I was holding that with both hands, because that shit would have took me the frig out. Okay? So I'm bringing it around. I'm gonna leave this on for like 15 minutes. I'm taking this off. Oh Lord. And I'm just being careful when I take it off. My razor, I'm gonna start cutting. Lift this up a little bit. All right, so what I'm doing here is I'm cutting it from the back so I can get that tab up. All right, I'm gonna try and clean it up with a little bit more. I'm just kind of this extra, I had to go underneath. I'm not gonna lie, this method feels pretty good. My head feels snug, just as if it was glue. So that up. What I'm gonna do now is, so I love how it is. I am gonna spritz it down, and I'm gonna take a little bit more of the spray and go underneath. But before I do that, I just want to plug a little bit more. Now what I'm doing is I'm gonna spray the tip of my my rat tail comb with the even spray, and I'm just trying to get it up underneath the lace. So I'm getting a little bit on top and then a little bit on the lace as well. I'm gonna just use a little micellar water, and I'm gonna try to avoid the lace as much as I can, just so I can clean off my skin. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap it down again, but this time I'm going to spray a bit of spritz onto my edges to just get everything nice and laid. I'm spraying it on the tip of my finger, and I'm pressing it in. And I'm just pressing it in with my finger. And I'm gonna take it and wrap it around like I did the last time. I'm gonna leave it like this for like 5 or so minutes. And then after the 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and unstrap it and just like tie it. All right, so it's time to take this off. I'm taking my time.
He's looking at y'all like y'all trying to replace me off, like damn, like it shouldn't have been, that shouldn't have been the sale. And that,
this looks so good. Yeah, no more glue ever. This is the way to go, I promise. It's not moving. Like, this is it. I love big hair. Like, oh, this is perfect. But this is it. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna try to style the hair. So let's do this. Using a smaller barrel curler. It looks like this. I was able to finish the other style in like 20-15 minutes, but I just didn't like how it looked yesterday. I just didn't like how it looked after, so we're doing it again. This curl looks so good. Wrap it down the first one and just keep bringing it over. Okay, much better. And I'll show you guys one more. And you just want to hold it for a little bit. And then go ahead and bring it down. And then that's how it comes. I have the hair rotted. I'm gonna fluff it out one by one.
To follow my dreams and make it true. I am setting boundaries for my
The final look. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see. And there's many more to come. Thank you so much.